Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas Ranjan Bal. Today we will discuss how many number of states will be required for the minimal DFA. Okay, suppose a DFA contains n states. Suppose a DFA contains n state means the minimal DFA will contain the states like less or equal n. The minimal DFA always contains the states like less or equal n states. Okay, suppose DFA contains, for example, like if a DFA contains 5 states means, minimal DFA, the minimal DFA must contain the states like the states in the minimal DFA always less or equal 5. Okay, now we'll discuss some of the concepts. The first concept is the substring case. Substring. If the substring case, in case of substring, if the DFA contains n states, in the substring case, if the DFA contains n plus 1 states, in this case, the minimal DFA also contains the states like n plus 1. Okay. The second case, if the DFA for ending case, if the DFA contains n plus 1 states, in this case particularly the minimal DFA will contain also n plus 1 number of states. Okay, we have already discussed about the number of states of DFA for substring case, ending case in the DFA classes. Okay, the third case, the string of length is exactly n. The string of length is always exactly. This is the exactly case. The string of length, or here we can write also exactly case. The string, when the string of length is exactly n, in this case the DFA always requires n plus 2 states, and the minimal DFA also contains n plus 2 states. When in the fourth case, when the string of length at least n means, this is concept at least 5. String of length is at least 5 means, suppose for a string of length like this is called at least 5. This is called at least 5. This is the example. At least 5. It must be greater or equal to 5. Okay. In the case of at least case, the DFA always requires n plus 1 number of states, and the minimal DFA always requires n plus 1 number of states. The fifth case, it is the case of utmost. The string of length utmost n. In this case, DFA will require n plus 2 states, and the minimal DFA will require n plus 2 number of states. Okay, in the sixth case, if the input or nth input, if the nth input symbol from LHS side, in this case the DFA will require n plus 2 number of states, and the minimal DFA will also require n plus 2 number of states. And in the case of seventh case, nth input symbol from RHS part, in this case the DFA will require 2 to the power n number of states, and the minimal DFA will require always n 2 to the power n number of states. Okay, this is the eighth problem is called divisible problem. This is called divisible problem. W mod n. In this case, DFA will always require n number of states, and the minimal DFA, there are some rules for this to find the number of states in this case. Now we'll discuss. Okay, all cases, substring case, ending case, exactly case, at least case, utmost case, nth input symbol from LHS part, nth input symbol for RHS part, divisible problem, all problems we have already discussed in the DFA classes. Now in this class particularly, we are discussing about how many number of states will be required for the minimal DFA. Okay, almost cases the DFA and minimal DFA almost require, means the number of states in DFA and minimal DFA are mostly equal, but in case of divisible problem, it is completely different. In this case, divisible problem, DFA always requires n number of states, but the minimal DFA will require some different types of states. Now we'll see. There are some rules are there. There are some rules. Just look at the tree. Okay. If R is mod R mod n, means if R is divisible by n problem, it is a divisible. If R is divisible by n problem, first thing, this is the divisible by n or not. This is the divisible by n or not. If n is odd, in this case, if n is odd, in this case, how many the minimal DFA will require n number of states. For example, divisible by 3. 3 is odd. Divisible by 3 means 3 is odd. Since 3 is odd, so the number of states equals to 3 in the case of minimal DFA. So number of states equal to 3 in case of minimal DFA. But if we'll think about in case of DFA case, it is also same. The n number of states will be required in case of also DFA. Okay. So if n is odd, it requires n states. If n is even, then we'll check for two conditions. If n is a power of 2 or not, and if n is not a power of 2 or not. Now we'll check for n is a power of 2 or not. If n is a power of 2, means 2 to the power n, in this case n plus 1 number of states will be required. In this case, n plus 1 number of states will be required. For example, suppose 8. 8 is a power of 2. 8 means we'll convert 8 into power of 2 means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power n. In this case, 3 plus 1 means 4 number of states will be required. Okay. If that means if DFA contains 8 number of states, in this case the minimal DFA, contains 4 number of states. In this case, the minimal DFA will contain 4 number of states. Okay. In the next condition, if n is not a power of 2, now we check. If n is not a power of 2, then the next condition we'll check if n by 2 is odd or not. If n by 2 is odd or not. If n by 2 is odd or if n by 2 is even. If n by 2 is odd, in this case n by 2 plus 1 number of states will be required. For example, if the DFA contains suppose 6 number of states. If the DFA contains 6 number of states, now we'll check if n is even, as 6 is even. But now we'll check the left part. If 6 is a power of 2, no, 6 is not a power of 2. Now we'll check the second case. If n is not a power of, yes, 6 is not a power of 2. Now we'll check if n by 2 is odd. Yes, now we'll divide 6 by 2 means 3, as 3 is odd. Since 3 is odd, in this case the minimal DFA will require n by 2 plus 1. Here n by 2 means 3. 3 plus 1 means 4 number of states will be required. Okay. In this case, 3 plus 1 means 4 states will be required. Okay. The next condition is if n by 2 is even. Then find n by 2. Then find again n by 2 by 2. Then find up to, divide by 2 up to find the value of odd. Then plus 2 number of states. For example, For example, in this case, suppose divisible by 12. Suppose divisible by 12 means a DFA in this case DFA will require total 12 number of stairs. In this case DFA will require total 12 number of stairs. But the minimal DFA, but in case of minimal DFA contains but in case of minimal DFA, now we'll calculate the number of stairs. Yes, n by 2 is even. Now we'll find 12 by 2 equal to 6. Yes, 6 is even. Since 6 is even, find again divided by 2. Again divided by 2 means 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Find up to odd. Yes, this 3 is odd. Then 3 plus 2 number of stairs. In this case 3 plus 2 means total 5 number of stairs. Okay. Now we can check some examples. Suppose 16. Now we'll check. Suppose 16. See here, if n is odd, no, 16 is not odd. If n is even, yes, n is even, means 16 is even. Then we'll check n is a power of 2 or not. Yes, 16 is a power of 2. 16 means 2 to the power 4. But here 16 case means it is a divisible by 16. Divisible by 16 means DFA will require total 16 number of stairs, but the minimal DFA will require, but for minimal DFA will require how many number of stairs? Now we'll find, so 16 equal to 2 to the power 4. 4 means, now we'll find 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means, or 2 to the power n means n plus 1 number of stairs. In this case 2 to the power 4 means 4 plus 1 number of stairs means 5 number of stairs will be required. If the DFA contains 16 number of stairs, but the minimal DFA contains total 5 number of stairs in this case. Okay. Now, hope all of you understand how many stairs will be required for the minimal DFA in the case of divisible problem. Okay. If any doubt, you can ask any questions through the comment box. Okay. Now we'll check. Now we'll see for one more concept. Okay. See here, in this case, DFA contains. Now we'll calculate how many number of stairs will be required for this DFA and for this minimal DFA. Okay. Now we'll calculate for the case of DFA. Okay. See here, A is divisible. Number of edge is odd. In a problem. Number of is odd or even. Odd or even means what? Odd or even means it is a divisible problem. Means it is a divisible by 2. So the first case it is a divisible by 2. Okay. Means for the first case. Now we'll check for the second case. B is divisible by 4. Since it is a problem, means B is divisible, means number of B is divisible by 4 in a problem. Number of B's is divisible by 4. That means for the case of DFA, how many stairs will be required? Number of B's divisible by 4 means 4 stairs will be required. Means these two is for number of edge odd. This 4 is means B is divisible by 4. So how many stairs will be required for the given DFA? Total, just cross 2 into 4. Total 8 number of stairs will be required. For the given DFA. Now we'll calculate for the minimal DFA. Okay. How many stairs will be required? Number of edge odd. Number of edge odd means it is a divisible problem. Then 2. In this case, number of it means 2. See here, number of edge odd means 2. See here, now I will calculate. Then then B is divisible by 4. Then B is divisible by 4. 4 means in the case of DFA, how many states will be required? 4 number of states will be required. Suppose 4. Now we'll calculate 2 to the power. So 2 is a, now if we'll check how many states will be required the minimal DFA. See here, if n is even means if n is a power of 2 or not, means 2 to the power n. So we can calculate here 2 to the power 1. We can also convert 4 equals to 2 to the power 2. So in this, the first case, here means n plus 1. N plus 1 means here it is 1 plus 1. In the case, if 1 plus 1 into. In the second case, 2 to the power 2 or 2 square means 2 plus 1 number of states. That means 1 plus 1 means 2, then 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Total 6 number of states. Okay. The minimal DFA contains how many number of states? Okay. This is the generally the means the number of edge odd means 2. B is divisible by 4. 4 means this is 4 number of states will be required in case of DFA. In case of DFA, but in case of minimal DFA, we just convert it as power. Power means 2 to the power 1. Just check this condition. Just check this condition. Okay, this condition. Okay, 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 1. This is the 4 equal 2 to the power square. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then into 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, equal to 6 number of states will be required. Okay, hope all of you understand. Now we'll check for the second question. Number of edge odd. Okay, for the case of DFA, number of edge odd. Number of edge odd means the DFA will require total 2 number of states. For this case, 2 number of states will be required. Number of B is at least 3. At least 3 means 3 plus 1 means 4 number of states will be required. At least 3 means 3 plus 1 means 4 number of states will be required. So 2 into 4 means 2 into 4 equal to 8 number of states will be required. Okay. Now we'll check for the minimal DFA. Minimal DFA. Okay. Minimal DFA. Age odd. Odd means 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1. In this case, 2 to the power 1 means how many number of 1 plus how many number of states will be required? For this case, 1 plus 1 means 2. 1 plus 1 means 2 number of states will be required. For this case, okay. Number of B is at least 3. At least 3 means here, at least 3. In the case, we can also check at least 3. Here DFA also requires n plus 1 state and minimal DFA also requires n plus 1 states. Now, so in this case, 2 into 3. 2 into means 3 plus 1 means 4. 4 number of states. Means 2 into 4 equal to 8 number of states will be required. So DFA and minimal DFA contains 8 number of states in this case. Okay. In the third case, number of edge is at least 2. At least 2 means how many states will be required? Total at least 2 means 2 plus 1. Number of B is exactly 3. Exactly 3 means 3 plus 2 number of states will be required generally. Remember, we have already discussed about the exactly case in DFA classes. Exactly case in DFA classes. Out of two, 1 is dead state. 1 is dead state. 1 is out of 2, 1 is dead state. Remember one point. Out of 2, 1 is dead state. Okay. So the DFA here, DFA equals to requires how many states? Here 2 plus 1 means 3 number of states. Here 3 plus 2. Out of 5 states, 1 state is called dead state. Just remove the dead state. Just remove the dead state. Why will remove the dead state? Later I will discuss. Okay. Just remove the dead state. Remove the dead state means what? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4. So 3 into 4 equal to 12. Then plus add 1. 1 means this is called dead state. 1 means this is called dead state. Okay, this is called, sorry, dead state means total 13 number of states. Why I will remove this dead state, or why I will remove this 1 from 5? See here, if I'll multiply, suppose at least 2 means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, 3. Then it is B, number of B is exactly 3. Exactly 3 means 3 plus 2 equal to 5, means 5 means 15. Okay, 15. But in this case, total, the DFA actually in this case, the total 13 number of days, so 13 number of states. 13 number of states means total 12 plus 1 means 12 number of states. 1 is the dead state. If we multiply the total 5 into 3, in this case total 12 plus 3, total 3 number of dead state. But a DFA contains maximum 1 number of state. DFA never contains more than 1 state. This is important. DFA never contains more than 1 state. So that's why we remove 1 from here. That's why we remove from 1 from here. Okay. Now we'll check one more example. Okay. Remember the DFA in this case similar as also the DFA as well as minimal DFA. The minimal DFA also contains total 13 number of states. Minimal DFA also contains total 13 number of states. Okay. Now we'll check for the next question. Okay. Number of A is exactly 2. Number of A is exactly 2 means how many states will be required? 2 plus 2. Okay. So means 2 plus 2. Number of B is at most 3 means how many states will be required? 3 plus 2 means 5. Here 2 plus 2 means it is 4. Here 4. Now out of these 4 states, 1 state is called dead state. Here 1 state is dead state, 1 dead state. Now we will remove. Out of 5, here 1 is dead state. 1 is dead state. Okay. Now we will remove 1 dead state means 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1. So the DFA contains 4 minus 1 means 3. So in this case, 1 means will minus 5 minus 1 means 4 into 4. 3 into 4 equal to 12, then plus 1 means total. This one is called dead state. This one is called dead state. Okay. 12 plus 1 equal to 13 number of states. Okay. Similarly, the minimal DFA is also contains total equals to minimal DFA. Minimal DFA also contains total 13 number of states. Because the DFA and the exactly and at most case, DFA and minimal DFA also contains the similar number of states. Okay. Minimal DFA, right? Right. Suppose if you will not remove this dead state, what happens here? The 2 plus 2 into 4. Okay. Then 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Means 5 into 4 means 20. This is called 20. But the original DFA contains, or DFA or minimal DFA contains total 13 number of states. 13 number of states means 12 is the states, 1 is called dead state. But in this case, 12 states plus 8 number of dead states. 8 number of dead states. So that's why we'll remove 1 or we'll minus 1 from the number of states. Okay. In the 5th number of case, see here 0 is exactly 4. Exactly 4 means this is the 4 plus 2 number of states means 6 number of states. So 1 is at least 2 means 2 plus 1 means 3 number of states will be required. Out of 6, 1 state is called dead state. 1 state is called dead state. Now we will remove means 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So the DFA as well as minimal DFA contains the number of states like 6 minus 1 into 5 into 3, total 15 plus 1 means 16 number of states. Okay. Now we'll check for the sixth number of case. The sixth number of case, a number of A's is odd. Odd means it is divisible by 2. Number of B is not divisible by 3. Number of B is not divisible by 3. Means it is also a divisible problem. So in this case, DFA contains total 2 into 3 means 2 into 3 because 6 number of states. 6 number of states. Okay, now we'll check for the minimal DFA. Minimal DFA. Since it is a power of 2, since it is a power of 2 means 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 1 plus 1 means 2 number of states. The first case, since it is a 3 is a odd number. It is a B is not divisible by 3 means 3 since n is odd. N is odd means how many number of states will be required? N states will be required. N is odd means n states will be required. N states means here since it is 3, since 3 is odd, so 2 into 3 means total 6 number of states will be required. Okay. Okay, that's the end of your analysis of how many number of states in DFA and minimal DFA. Okay, in the next class we'll construct some minimal DFA based on this concept, like a number of A is odd and number of B is not divisible by 3, like this. Okay, thanks for watching.